So as you see, this is an extremely tedious and frustrating process, but it is extremely required in order to start growing and scaling your online presence for your business. So I've outlined the entire process and requirements on the document, but I'm going to walk you through the process on your phone to start submitting that video. First thing you need to do is make sure you're in the correct account on your Google Maps account, and then you can search up your business name. And then you'll click on your name, it'll pull up your profile. You'll see this part where it says you're not verified. You want to click that to say get verified. And then the only option that you'll have, it's only video. They don't allow anything else. And you can't verify later or contact support. The only option is to do this video. So do the video, have a street sign, nearby businesses, show your business address, show a business card, show your branded vehicle, show yourself unlocking your office, proof of address, anything like that. I've outlined a lot of examples in the document. You want to have all those in the video or else it won't be accepted. Now, number two is you want to plan to have all these things out. Like it says, plan ahead. Make sure you capture 3 requirements in one continuous recording, because you won't be able to play, pause, or do anything. You'll have to record the entire video from your phone all in one take. And this will probably take you 4 or 5 takes, especially because the timeline is extremely specific. So for you, that might be less than 2 minutes. For me, that was less than 45 seconds. So I had to keep redoing takes shorter and shorter and shorter until I found that they only allowed a 45-second video for me. So you have to go very fast, you have to run, and you have to try to show everything. Now, one way to get around this is by changing the settings in your phone camera. So if you find your video is getting too short, go to your settings, go to camera, pick the lightest option, and also turn off HDR. Okay, let's get started. So show the business, show the outside, show your neighbors, and show the house number. That's also important. Show that the number, the street address on your business. Now unlock your house, unlock your business, unlock the trucks, and run to the office, because you will literally need to run. Now you can show things like your payment processor, you can show your website. I would log into all these things beforehand, because logging into each of them will take too long. So log into all of them, show your business cards, show your tax documents, show your business registration on your desk, all in one take. So you don't have to go around looking for it. It all has to be in one take. Now I've blurred some of these things out. However, you can see the merchandise and everything like this, and you'll see that my video was not accepted. And now that was because I'm at 2 minutes. I was at 2 minutes in this take. So I had to keep retrying this about 8 more times to try to find, like I said, my sweet spot was 45 seconds. So try to keep it maximum under 2 minutes. And it might be from 45 seconds to 1:30. I found that's a sweet spot for getting clients' businesses verified, and other people I've helped with this. The length of time is the biggest factor. So you will guaranteed have to do a few multiple takes for this, and just keep going quicker and quicker and quicker. It is frustrating, but it is something that needs to be done. And when you're working with me, I will make 99% sure that you won't have to do this again, because I will be engaging all these best practices to make sure that we're staying up to date with the website and Google My Business profile. So this should only be a one-time thing. Just get it done and get it knocked out of the way. The faster you get moving on this, the faster I can get moving on things on my end. Okay, thanks. I hope this helped. Let me know if you have any other questions.